I have bought this Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus after the launch from the Xiaomi store. They have given me some gifts as well, but I'm going to start this video with the water dropping because I'm going to do all the tests in the video step by step. I would say I'm really impressed with the price range they are offering with these amazing features. I would say this phone definitely can beat the flagship smartphone. Let's start the video. Let me show you what I got from the store when I bought it. I received this 10,000 mAh power bank from Xiaomi, along with this phone cover and Type-C earphones. Inside the box, there is a black silicone cover and a 90-watt charger that supports fast charging. And there is a Type-C to Type-A charging cable. I got this complete package for 1900 Chinese yuan. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus design is completely different from the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus that came last year, especially regarding its camera module design. This time it's bigger, and the texture pattern on the back, it might look a little different. Under low light, it becomes completely white, but with light you can see a nice pattern. On the back panel likely uses glass, and there is a Redmi logo at the bottom. Look at the frame body. It's crafted from aluminum alloy, designed with a focus on quality and durability. On the frame, you will find an IR blaster, a microphone, and a speaker, with another speaker at bottom. At the bottom, there is one more microphone, a Type-C charging port, and the SIM slot. There is a rubber inside in the SIM slot, which you can see is orange. It's there to prevent water from entering, making it water resistant. It's really important. Overall, the design is decent, but the grip feels solid and comfortable, giving off a premium vibe. Looking at the display bezels, the top and bottom ones are slightly visible, but the left and right sides are thinner. The display is covered, which I personally like, but many people prefer flat display. The size is 6.67 inches OLED with a 1.5K resolution. It has a 120 Hz refresh rate, so if you play games or browse, you will find it very smooth. The peak brightness is 3000 nits and it supports HDR10+. The high frequency PWM is at 1920 Hz. Yeah, one more thing. You are watching this video through this smartphone is 4K at 120 FPS. The colors are different in real life, but when I'm recording, it's more brighter. I threw this phone many times, but it's absolutely fine. My height is 178, but I threw from here 2 times already. It's absolutely fine. It didn't have a scratch at all. Amazing. Please. The Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus is the latest model and I have tested it with games. I will show you my bench score, which is 751,000. The weight is about 214 grams and you will be very comfortable with the battery lasting a long time because it has a 6200 mAh battery along with a 90-watt charger for fast charging. So you can easily use the battery for a long time. There is one interesting thing in this smartphone, that is, the company claims it can withstand water for up to 24 hours without damage. It supports IP69, IP68 and IP66 rating. So I tested it by submerging it in both hot and cold water for over half an hour. Even after that, there was no issues. Once it took it out, it worked perfectly. Just for a reminder, you cannot shoot videos under the water because the touch does not work in the water. But once you take it out, it functions fine. Now let's talk about the cameras. The front camera is 20 megapixel, but it does not support 4K video recording. The back camera module looks very alike Xiaomi logo. It's really similar. It has a flash and 3 lenses. It has a 50 megapixel light fusion 800 main sensor, along with an 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. And for the first time, there is a 50 megapixel 2.5x telephoto camera. You will see in this video what you can do with this smartphone. So I zoomed it from my home and you can see it captures details from a distance. I can peek into other houses with this zoom capability, which is not cool at all. In the camera setting, you will have some options such as Pro, Documents, Video, Photo, Portrait. In Portrait, you can zoom in like this. Night. In More, you will have more options. You can take 50 megapixel photo, panorama, slow motion, dual video, time lapse, AI watermark and long exposures as well. This is how you can film dual videos, front and back together. This is Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus. I'm filming 1080p at 30 fps. It doesn't support 4K from the front camera. This is the result from front camera, 1080p 30 fps. I'm walking slowly right now and this is the result while running, and I'm not using any external microphone, so this is the audio quality result. Now I'm recording from the back camera 4K at 30 fps. It also supports 4K at 60 fps. But when you are recording a film ultra wide, it doesn't support 4K. It only supports 1080p 30 fps. So this is 4K result 1x. I'm walking right now and this is the result of running. So you will know how's the stabilization of this smartphone. This is 1x. Okay, so you can zoom in 2x, 3x, 6x. It can zoom till 6x while recording a video. Now this is the result of ultra wide 1080p 30 fps 0.6x, 1x, 2x, 2.5x, 5x and 10x. That's the results.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast.
I have been gaming for over half an hour and I achieved a good score because of the graphic and a little bit for my skills. I played a balance mode which offers two gaming modes, balanced and performance. The performance mode provides better graphics but consumes battery faster. There are many other options such as screen recording, enhanced touch control, brightness, casting and more. In the graphic settings, we can see the highest graphic, we can choose Ultra HDR. Now let me tell you about the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus variants, colors and prices. So it comes in 3 colors. In the simple way, we can say black, white and green. It comes with 3 variants. The basic variant is 12GB RAM to 56GB internal storage, and you cannot extend the storage at all, which I bought, and it cost 1900 Chinese yuan, about $240. The rest of the variants and prices are mentioned on the screen. I think lots of people are going to like this smartphone because of this price range, and plus with these features they are offering in this smartphone. What do you think about this smartphone? Please let us know in the comments, and if you like this video, please do like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye.